Air travel in 2025 is more dynamic, more technologically advanced, and busier than ever before. With airports implementing new protocols, airlines optimizing their services, and millions of passengers moving through terminals every day, navigating the modern airport landscape requires a different level of strategy. That is why mastering the 13 airport travel hacks for 2025 is absolutely crucial for anyone aiming to travel smart. These are not just tips. They are proven methods that frequent flyers, industry insiders, and travel experts swear by to save time, reduce stress, and even enjoy the airport experience. Whether it is cutting down on wait times, unlocking hidden perks, or securing more comfortable flights, knowing these hacks can transform the way every journey feels. Before diving into these essential strategies, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more expert travel guides, insider secrets, and practical advice that will keep every traveler ahead of the curve in 2025 and beyond. Number 1. Arrive at off-peak hours. One of the most powerful yet often overlooked strategies to make airport travel smoother is carefully selecting flight times that avoid peak hours. Airports experience their heaviest crowds, typically between 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and again from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m., coinciding with business rush hours and international departures. Choosing flights that depart early in the morning, ideally before 7 a.m., or late in the evening after 8 p.m., can drastically reduce the volume of passengers at security checkpoints, baggage drop counters, and boarding gates. Furthermore, early flights tend to be more punctual because the air traffic system is less congested in the morning, leading to fewer delays. Arriving during off-peak hours also often results in a more pleasant experience with less stressed airport staff, more seating availability in lounges and gate areas, and shorter lines at cafes and restaurants. In a world where airports are becoming increasingly crowded, strategic timing is a major advantage. Number 2. Master mobile check-in and e-boarding passes. In 2025, mobile technology is not just a convenience but a necessity for air travelers. Mastering mobile check-ins and using e-boarding passes can shave off significant waiting time and provide an edge even before reaching the airport. Most airlines open mobile check-in windows 24 to 48 hours before departure. Checking in online allows travelers to secure better seat selections, request meal preferences, and receive real-time flight updates directly on their devices. A mobile boarding pass, stored safely within an airline app or as a screenshot, eliminates the need to wait in long lines at kiosks or counters. Additionally, many airports now offer contactless security screening and boarding gates that prioritize passengers with digital passes, making the process not only faster but also safer and more hygienic. Travelers should always ensure their phone is fully charged before arriving at the airport and consider carrying a portable charger to avoid any risk of losing access to important travel documents. Number 3. Use fast-track services wisely. Fast-track or priority lane services are no longer exclusive to first-class passengers. In 2025, many airports allow travelers to purchase fast-track access either during ticket booking or directly at the airport. These lanes, designed to bypass regular security lines, can dramatically cut down waiting times, especially during holidays or peak seasons when standard security queues can stretch for over an hour. While purchasing fast-track access may involve a small fee, the time saved often justifies the cost, particularly for travelers with tight connections or those who value a stress-free airport experience. Some credit cards, frequent flyer programs, and premium travel memberships also offer complimentary fast-track privileges, so it is wise to check available benefits beforehand. Using fast-track smartly means not just breezing through security, but also gaining extra time to relax, shop, dine, or even enjoy airport lounges before boarding. Number 4. Choose the right security checkpoint. Airports with multiple terminals and numerous security checkpoints offer a golden opportunity for those who observe closely and make informed choices. Contrary to instinct, the first security checkpoint visible from the entrance is often the most crowded. Walking a little farther to the left or right often reveals alternative security lanes with much shorter lines. Furthermore, analyzing the composition of the line can make a big difference. Business travelers, for instance, usually carry lighter luggage and move quickly through security, while families, especially those with young children or large groups, may slow down the process. Choosing a line based on traveler type can save precious minutes. In some airports, mobile apps even provide live updates about wait times at different checkpoints, empowering travelers to make the smartest choice instantly. Understanding that not all lines are created equal can mean the difference between a relaxed stroll to the gate and a mad dash to catch a flight. Number 5. Pack smart for security screening. The way carry-on luggage is packed can significantly impact the speed and ease of passing through security checkpoints. In 2025, most airports still require liquids to be presented separately in containers no larger than 100 milliliters, all placed in a single transparent plastic bag. Electronic devices such as laptops, tablets, and sometimes even large battery packs often need to be removed and screened separately. Packing with security screening in mind means placing these items in easily accessible sections of a carry-on bag, not buried deep under clothes or other belongings. Using a TSA-approved laptop sleeve or organizing pouch for electronics can speed up the unpacking and repacking process. Additionally, wearing slip-on shoes and minimal metal accessories can help breeze through body scanners without unnecessary delays. Smart packing is not just about organization. It is about anticipating security requirements and preparing accordingly to move through checkpoints with confidence and efficiency. Number 6. Take advantage of airport lounge access. Airport lounges are often considered a luxury, but they are accessible to more travelers than many realize. In 2025, travelers have various ways to gain access to lounges even if they are not flying business class. Many premium credit cards offer complimentary lounge access as part of their benefits. Additionally, independent lounge networks like Priority Pass allow travelers to purchase day passes for a reasonable fee. Lounges offer a calm, quiet space away from the crowds and provide facilities such as comfortable seating, free Wi-Fi, charging stations, and refreshments. Using lounge access during layovers or before flights not only improves comfort, but can also save time, especially when waiting in a busy terminal. Airport lounges typically have priority boarding alerts, so travelers can stay informed about their flight without worrying about missing an announcement. Number 7. Keep an eye on flight delays. In the fast-paced world of air travel, flight delays are inevitable. But staying ahead of the situation can turn a potentially frustrating experience into a manageable one. Airlines typically notify passengers about delays through their apps, emails, or text messages, but checking flight status through third-party apps or the airport's digital boards can offer earlier insight. If a delay is significant, passengers should immediately check for alternatives, whether through the airline's customer service desk or online. Many airports also have dedicated teams that assist in rebooking passengers in case of extended delays, especially for connecting flights. Instead of waiting passively, knowing about delays ahead of time allows for more productive decision-making, such as finding a quieter area to relax or arranging for meals or accommodations, ensuring the situation does not add unnecessary stress. Number 8. Opt for hand luggage only. For those who want to breeze through the airport, opting for hand luggage only is an invaluable strategy. In 2025, most airlines allow passengers to bring one personal item and one carry-on bag without additional charges, and this can save a great deal of time. By avoiding checked luggage, travelers eliminate the need to wait at baggage claim upon arrival, saving precious time. It also reduces the risk of lost luggage and makes it easier to move through the airport without the burden of large suitcases. When packing, it is essential to choose a well-organized, lightweight bag that complies with airline size restrictions. A well-packed carry-on should include only the essentials, such as a change of clothes, toiletries, within liquid limits, important documents, and electronics. If extra baggage is needed, lightweight folding bags or travel organizers can be helpful for staying within the allowed weight limit. Number 9. Stay informed about airport layouts. Airports in 2025 are vast and complex, with multiple terminals, gates, and amenities spread over large areas. Knowing the layout of an airport can make navigating it much easier and quicker. Many airports now offer interactive maps in their mobile apps, which help travelers locate terminals, gates, food options, lounges, and even the nearest restrooms or water refill stations. It is particularly helpful to check the airport map ahead of time when layovers involve changing terminals, as this can require additional time and effort to get from one gate to another. Familiarizing oneself with the location of priority lanes, security check-in areas, and even hidden shortcuts can save time during tight layovers or when facing unexpected delays. Number 10. Use smart baggage trackers. Tracking luggage is a modern solution that many travelers use to stay at ease when flying in 2025. Smart baggage trackers are small, Bluetooth-enabled devices that can be placed in a carry-on or checked bag. These devices provide real-time updates on the location of luggage, which can be accessed through a smartphone app. This is particularly helpful in the rare but stressful situation where a bag goes missing or gets delayed. By simply checking the app, travelers can know the exact location of their bags, allowing them to report issues more efficiently to the airline or baggage claim staff. Furthermore, these devices can also help prevent bags from being left behind on long layovers or during transfers. Number 11. Consider airport hotels for long layovers. For long layovers or delayed flights, booking a night or a few hours in an airport hotel can be a game changer. Many major international airports offer comfortable transit hotels located within the terminal, meaning no extra security checks or customs clearance are required to access them. These hotels often provide day-use options, where travelers can book a room for just a few hours to rest, shower, or sleep. Even if the airport doesn't have a hotel, some airports have partnered with nearby hotels to offer discounted rates for long layovers. This provides a peaceful space to unwind, refresh, and get some rest without worrying about leaving the airport or dealing with long queues. Number 12. Stay hydrated and well-fed. Airports often offer a wide variety of food and drink options, but the food quality and prices can vary dramatically. Staying hydrated and well-fed before and during the flight can keep energy levels high, which is crucial for overall well-being, especially on long flights. In 2025, many airports feature water refill stations, allowing travelers to refill their water bottles for free. Avoiding sugary drinks and caffeinated beverages can help prevent dehydration, which is especially important during long flights. It's also worth carrying snacks in the carry-on, particularly if the flight is scheduled during meal hours, as not all airlines provide meals for every class of service. A mix of healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, and protein bars can ensure travelers stay nourished without having to pay for overpriced airport food. Number 13. Take advantage of travel apps for real-time updates. The role of travel apps has only expanded in 2025, offering essential real-time updates for travelers. From flight status to weather alerts, gate changes, or even urgent notifications about security delays, having the right app can save a lot of time and anxiety. Airlines and airports have developed dedicated apps that offer a personalized experience, delivering real-time notifications, offering updates about connections, and allowing for rebooking or adjustments if delays occur. Other third-party travel apps can also be invaluable, offering integrated services for booking last-minute accommodations, finding food options, and navigating unfamiliar airports. Keeping these apps updated and notifications enabled ensures travelers are always prepared, never caught off guard, and able to adjust their plans as the situation changes. With these 13 airport travel hacks for 2025, traveling through the airport doesn't have to be stressful or time-consuming. By applying these tips, each step of the journey can be more efficient, comfortable, and enjoyable. Whether it's avoiding long queues, getting access to exclusive services, or simply making smarter packing choices, these hacks can truly make a difference. Remember, the key to stress-free travel in 2025 lies in preparation and knowing the best strategies to save time and energy. So, the next time you head to the airport, keep these hacks in mind to enhance your flying experience. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more essential travel tips, guides, and updates. Share your own airport hacks in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you make air travel easier. Safe travels and happy flying!